G'day, it's Mark and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we go to Chico in California, where we go to a pick apart or pull you apart and check out some of the cars there, including a very rare J car, Oldsmobile Firenza. You never see those anymore, and it had a bit of damage to the rear of it, but I think it's a bit of a shame that some of those cars aren't just sort of captured and then put away, because eventually there'll be none left. But also, while I was in Chico, I thought, why is that a familiar name? And then I realized that that's where the dealership was, where I got my 1980 Lincoln Mark VI Signature Series sedan. Or I didn't buy it from there, but that's where the car came from originally. So anyway, let's check out Chico Pick Apart. Cool, Barracuda. And I'm just looking at this Roadmaster wagon. Is that for sale? Just took a detour to Chico Pull Apart. There's a Mark V, 1899. It's a lot of money for one of those in that condition. Jesus. Pretty rough. Huh. Wouldn't give you $800 for it. Wouldn't give you $200 for it. Grand Marquis. It's in pretty clean condition. There's an Oldsmobile wagon. Very rusty. Yeah, that looks good, that. Don't know what that is. Oldsmobile. Oh, look at this little Ford. Huh. Wow, early Escort. I like these. Base model. Red interior. Huh. Manual. Huh. There's a Buick. Another Buick. Chrysler. Another Buick. Grand Marquis. Okay, here's a Skylark, but it's a new one. The panel I want was this panel here, like this plastic, but it fits on that side. My license plate holder's different. It's pretty rough. Okay, at least I've got a Skylark in here. I've got that light cover. You know, those guards with the fiberglass. Yeah, fiberglass. Another Grand Marquis. There's going to be quite a few of those in here. Satin with Escorts. Crown Vic. Nice seats, but they're more brown. They're worn. I actually got another seat for mine. Yeah. Charger. Looks cool. Another cop car. Buick. Charger. Mustang. Got that other grill on it. Taurus. Eldorado. Firebird. No, Pontiac Sunfire. What am I saying? Let me check the interior light of this. It's a Sunfire. Monte Carlo. Kind of cool. Grand Marquis. Got a good door on it. Doesn't look like there's any parts for me. Is it's a Buick Roadmaster wagon. Yeah. Wow. A Cadillac DeVille. Let's have a look at this. Huh. Interesting. This is interesting. There's a J car. Oldsmobile. I just don't see them anymore. Firenza sedan. There you go. Interior seats are dirty, but they will clean up very well. Gee, if you have one of these and you need parts. Yeah, anyway. It's got smashed garden bonnet, but doors, tail lights, interior parts. Yeah, the trunk's been wrecked by a forklift. So here's one of the new Chargers. I haven't actually seen these before. I think they're available as an electric vehicle, although they may have dropped the electric one. I know it hasn't sold very well. Or there's like I think it's a twin turbo 6-cylinder Hurricane engine. It's got this Super B on the side here. The logo. And then the old Dodge logo with that, I can't remember what it's called. Oh yeah, and then we've got here 6-pack. I think the car looks really good. Yeah, I think it's a very nice looking car, but I think the problem with this is that it needs a Hemi V8. If this audience wants a Hemi V8. You can see it's also got some sort of Challenger kind of styling lines as well. It's available as a 2-door or a 4-door. I don't think there's a 4-door here. Might have a bit of a look to see. The dealership's closed at the moment. But, yeah, I mean, it's a good looking car. Oh, the reversing lights are interesting. They almost look like headlights. That's quite an unusual look. I like the car. I believe this is like a hatchback. Lifts up at the back. I think this lifts right up. But that's it. What do you think of it, David?
Yeah, actually like it.
You like it?
They've done a lot of the old retro sort of styling.
Yeah.
The Dodge symbol down there.
Yeah, the old Dodge symbol, yeah.
60s and 70s.
Yeah. Yeah, it's sort of retro cues.
Super B.
Yeah, Super B.
Back, so they're really kind of leaning
Yeah.
into that, which I like. Yeah, it's cool.
Interior looks quite good.
Be nice with the Hemi, of course.
Yeah,
nice.
needs a Hemi V8.
Yeah.
And hasn't the other one got, I thought the other one had like this part here was like a see-through piece, or maybe that's on the 4-door, I don't quite know.
It's cool.
Yeah.
It's like a Hot Wheels car.
Yeah. like it, but it needs to be a V8. I hope you enjoyed that episode on Chico Pick Apart in California. Some pretty cool cars there. If you did enjoy the episode, please do give it a thumbs up. It does make a big difference to the channel, really helps. Doesn't cost a cent. Hit the hype button so more enthusiasts like yourself get to see the episodes. And above all, please hit that subscribe button as well with the bell notification. Just means that when new episodes are released, you get notified. Check out the entire USA playlist series for USA 2026 road trip. There's a whole lot of really cool content on there. And if you really like that sort of stuff, go back on the earlier playlist. There's another USA road trip from about 3 years ago, from I think 2023. So anyway, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.